Good morning, Dr. Vikram.
Good morning.
Dr. Vikram, there are many patients who and people who don't know the basic difference between the two very similar herbs,
Yeah.
Brahmi and this Gotu Kola.
Yeah.
So please today explain and show us both the herbs so that
Yeah.
viewers can understand.
Yeah. Actually, Brahmi is the name of the two herbs in India. In South India, Gotukula is also called Brahmi.
Okay.
That is why the confusion is there.
Oh.
Brahmi is a separate plant, and this Gotukula is a separate plant.
Okay.
So in many parts of the world, Brahmi is called to Centella asiatica and also to the Bacopa muneri.
Okay.
So Bacopa muneri has, although both the plants they have similar properties working on the brain, but
Okay.
there are slight differences. So Brahmi is a small creeper. Both are small creepers. So I want to show you this. This is growing here. This is called Brahmi. This is the Bacopa monera. So this is very small creeper.
Okay.
It sticks to the ground and leaves, as you see, very small.
Yeah, very small leaves. And,
Very small, beautiful leaves.
uh-huh.
If you see them.
Okay.
And here we are growing it here. It grows in wood and shade. Otherwise,
Yeah, these days it's winter
Yeah.
and
yeah. And Brahmi is slightly warm in nature, whereas Gotukola is cooling in nature.
okay.
So this is another difference in the properties. Although both are good for memory.
Okay.
And Brahmi is good for increasing the grasping power,
Okay.
increasing the quick grasping of the person. Good for, popular among students. And Manduk Parni, however, is good for long-term memory in improving the long-term memory and improving the retaining power. So let us take this plant to where the other plant is growing.
Okay.
Let me take you there. I'll take one plant from here
Uh-huh.
so that you can practically see both the plants.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let us go there. Brahmi, the Latin name of Brahmi
Uh-huh.
is Bacopa munere,
Okay.
and the Latin name of Manduk Parni is Centella asiatica.
Okay. So in our
You can-
nursery both are available. Okay.
Yeah, both of the plants are available.
Uh-huh.
You see here. Here.
Uh-huh.
So, this is Gotukola.
Okay.
This is very good for improving microcirculation. Yeah, and I keep the another plant, Brahmi, here.
Mm-hmm.
You see? Now you can see, you compare the leaves.
Totally different.
It's totally different. This is Brahmi. This is, people in South India, they call this Brahmi.
Okay.
But this is Manduk Parni in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Manduk means frog and Parni means leaves. So leaves of,
This plant.
they resemble the frog feet.
Okay.
So this is Manduk Parni or Centella asiatica, Umbelliferae family, and this is Brahmi. You see, there is in appearance there is much difference is there.
Long.
Yeah. So Brahmi and the uses are similar.
Okay.
The uses are good for, both of them are good for memory.
Okay.
One is slightly warm in nature. And Manduk Parni has, this Centella asiatica has multiple uses.
Okay.
I use it more than Bacopa monera.
Okay.
Bacopa monera is slightly warm in nature,
Uh-huh.
but sometimes that is also useful
So,
to increase the memory.
So students who want to improve their grasping power need Brahmi.
Yeah. And patients who are having too much of vata,
Uh-huh.
too much of vayu,
Okay.
too many thoughts at the same time,
Uh-huh.
in that case this Bacopa monera is better.
Okay.
In patient where pitta is more, when the heat is more and they are having difficulty in grasping the things, then this Centella asiatica is recommended,
Okay.
because Centella asiatica is cooling in nature
Uh-huh.
and Brahmi is not so hot
Okay.
but little warm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that warmth is not that bad
Okay.
for the brain.
So it's slightly warm,
Yeah.
you want to say. So Dr. Vikram, these both herbs are used for mainly mind.
Yeah,
So as Brahmi, you told, is for memory,
yeah,
and Gotukola is for other micro circulation like thing,
yeah.
improving blood circulation.
It is good for memory also.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is not like that Gotu-kola is not useful for memory. Both are good for memory.
Okay.
But there are slight difference in understanding. Some people, sometimes we have to use Gotu-kola, sometimes we have to use Brahmi. But there are no side effects if you use Brahmi instead
Okay.
of Gotu-kola, or if you use Gotu-kola instead of Brahmi. It's not going to make a huge difference.
Okay.
But one should understand what to be used.
Okay.
Especially the students should know the difference between these
Yeah,
two.
yeah. Actually, in this video, you very clearly told us how which are the differences. So I think now people will be aware and use the right one. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much,
very
Dr.
much.
Vikram.